When you're trying to get a clear picture of your data, graphs can show you ratios easily enough and may add a splash of color. But the beauty of pivot table reports is that they are interactive and dynamic tables that help you easily identify trends and patterns and see how different types of information all fit together. Let's take a look at how that works. Let's say you need to create a pivot table report that shows your manager what the top 10 products were in sales results for the first and second quarters. First, make sure each column has a heading as it gets carried over to the field list. Highlight your data range. Click the Insert tab. In the Table section, click Pivot Table. In the Create Pivot Table dialog box, confirm that Selected Table or Range and New Worksheet are chosen by default, and then click OK. A new worksheet opens with a blank pivot table report. Notice the fields from the source spreadsheet are already in the pivot table field list. There's no need to recreate the fields. Drag the product field, which in this case details all the different bicycle parts sold by the company, from the pivot table field list down to the row labels quadrant. Now the left side of your Excel spreadsheet shows a row for each product value. You should also see a check mark appear in the pivot table field list next to products. Drag the quarter 1 and quarter 2 fields from the pivot table field list to the values quadrant. Now let's see how easy it is to highlight the top 10 products for your manager. On the spreadsheet, click the down arrow next to row labels. Point to Value Filters, then Top 10. A dialog box appears. Click OK. The table now shows just the top 10 products for the 2 quarters and a grand total. You can repeat the same process for all fields within the pivot table report. To discover more ways Microsoft can help you better manage your business and financials, contact your Microsoft certified partner.